nice to be back. Feels like a second home these days. Well, it couldn't be anywhere else, and why would we want it to be anywhere else? You know, the whole film is it's all about communities, and it's all about the people around you. And so, you know, this film is set here, and it's about the people here. We had to celebrate it here. Yeah, obviously the first time we were able to fly under the radar a bit. No one knew necessarily what we were doing, but given the success of the first one and how much people seem to love it, the goodwill towards us and the smiles and the thumbs up we got wherever we went was fantastic. There was enough reaction just to me being around. I don't know what it's like being Dave here.
I'm the real Nicky Fishwick.
No, I'm the real Nicky Fishwick. I'm Jo Hartley, who played Nicky Fishwick in Bank of Day 1 and Bank of Day 2.
It felt like you were never away, actually.
I know.
Everything just fitted together again, didn't it? So nicely.
It was beautiful. We go to America in this one.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a cliche, but the people up north really are the friendliest people in the world. They're very welcoming and generous, and yeah, we had a lovely time. Did the words "Come on, Burnley" appear in the script? I think so. Next to Chrissy Metz, and in fact, the real Dave, if you can spot him, he's in that shot somewhere in the crowd. But it was just a great honour to be there and be given permission to film at that stadium and have Dave there on the day as well was very exciting.
I just kind of hope that they a bit like the first one, to be honest, like a nice warm hug with the film. You know, it's about Dave doing good, as I mentioned, and caring for people in a world at the minute which seems a little bit doom and gloom. It's I just hope it's an hour and a half of people's time that they enjoy and feel some kind of warmth from. We've got amazing American actors and actresses in it, from Chrissy Metz to Rob Delaney to Dan Fogel, like an amazing team in it. So I hope it does put Burnley on the map to an even greater scale. So that'd be great.
Well, we were always very keen that we wanted to do a sequel only if it was going to be better and only if it wasn't going to sort of upset the reputation and the affection that people had for the first one. I think we're pretty hopeful that we've created something that people will love, hopefully as much, but if not even more than the first film.
I'd like to live here, honestly. It's been just had the most remarkable few years making 2 films here now, and just absolutely love it. Love the people. Just love the place, to be honest. So just to be here tonight, kind of showing the movie for the first time for people, means so much and all that. So yeah, very excited.
We've become good friends, haven't we?
We have,
We
yeah.
chat a lot. She sends me mad voicemails at weird times, which is really funny. Always puts a smile on my face.
Yeah,
so.
I do. And when I first started the film, I spoke to Nicky for a long time on Zoom. She told me all about how she met Dave. We talked about clothes. We got really sort of to know each other quite well.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to play a version of that, but I wanted to bring love and light and a little bit in the second one, a bit sassiness to the sort of show, and just really serve that relationship because it's very strong and you can see that in real life. So I wanted that to come across on screen.
My character Oliver, who works for Citizens Advice, is kind of a lost soul at the start of the film. He's just come out of a divorce, and then he meets Dave Fishwick, who really enthuses him and then inspires him to help the victims of these payday loan companies. Yeah, to play a character who goes on such a journey is very rewarding.
It's sort of hardish work the first time you create somebody, particularly a real person, because you have to find that link between you and them and build it from within you, and obviously getting the accent and getting his mannerisms and seeing how much of him you wanted to do and how much of you wanted to put in there. So to come back again and do it sort of feels like slipping into a nice comfy pair of pajamas.
You know, when there's no cameras around, he's always there, and he's just the same person. He's infectious. He's very supportive, especially of me, and he's always been there for me when I've been nervous about doing something like this. He's like always giving me some advice to do it and all that stuff. So yeah, very good.
It's not all about me, you know.